Because of the in every practical sense, consistent turn of events and advancement of the thoughts of the digital currency local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and calculated arrangements that could further develop client association with crypto, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. One of these ventures in every practical sense is the Cosmos organization and its inside computerized coin atom. Cosmos fundamentally is an environment comprised of blockchains that can especially cooperate with each genuinely other in a sort of significant manner. Until its creation, each blockchain really was disengaged and couldn't meet with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements, which in every practical sense is very huge. In addition, it explicitly was hard to generally accomplish high exchange speed. Notwithstanding, Cosmos in a real sense offers another mechanical vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains fill in as truly autonomous equals, controlled by the Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint Agreement, made by Equan in 2014. Cosmos makes a biological system of blockchains that can scale and interoperate, which really is very critical. The Cosmos project has sort of a few significant specialized highlights serving to accomplish the collaboration objectives: versatility, Byzantine adaptation to internal failure, confirmation of stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans in an unobtrusive way. As a matter of fact, in an especially couple of words, Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure most certainly is a property of a framework equipped for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the issues of Byzantine commanders, which truly is very huge. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting malignantly, which certainly is very critical. Versatility sort of is a truly fundamental component of any venture pointed towards supporting future application improvement. Cosmos' goal in a real sense is to build its versatility utilizing essentially other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones for the most part work in kind of lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, arrangement convention, and certainly essential language, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, for the most part are synchronized with the really focal Cosmos center point, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, they likewise basically send off a full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the extension to for the most part affirm that the very relating sum has been fixed. Unique tokens for the most part are obstructed in a situation with a few marks until the scaffold check device opens them in a genuinely significant manner. Likewise, it obliterates the tokens in the cross-chain in a really significant way. This approach permits clients to move computerized resources in various chains in a significant way. Cosmos Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos in earlier years, it explicitly is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Cosmos will be around $18.42. The greatest expected atom cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost could generally be $18.93 in 2023, which for the most part is very huge. Likely return on initial capital investment, 162% by Cosmos Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Cosmos. In 2024, Atom is supposed to have the accompanying commonly least and greatest costs, about $26.03 and $32.11. Separately, the kind of typical expected exchanging cost essentially is $26.98. Incredibly, expected return on initial capital investment, 298% by Cosmos Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money explicitly have examined the costs of Cosmos and their vacillations during the earlier years. It sort of is accepted that in 2025, the for the most part least atom cost could drop to $38.62, while its certainly greatest can reach $45.87. By and large, the exchanging cost will essentially be around $39.97 in an unobtrusive manner. Likely return for money invested, 469% by Cosmos Value Expectation 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Cosmos by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least atom costs are normal in 2026. $67.61 and $59.36, which really is very huge. By and large, it will be exchanged at $60.96. Possible return on initial capital investment, 739% by Cosmos Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists essentially are continually dissecting the changes of Cosmos in an unobtrusive manner. In view of their expectations, the assessed really normal atom cost will essentially be around $86.03, which is genuinely critical. It could drop to at least $83.60. Yet it actually could reach $102.34 all through 2027 in an especially large manner. Likely return for money invested. 1170% by Cosmos Value Expectation 2028 consistently. Digital currency specialists certainly plan estimates at the cost of Cosmos in a significant manner. It generally is assessed that Atom will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $116.80 and $144.03 in 2028. Or so they thought. It's for the most part normal expense is normal at around $120.24 during the year. Likely return for capital invested. 1687% by Cosmos Value Expectation 2029 Cryptographic money examiners really are prepared to especially declare their assessments of the Cosmos value, which is very critical. The year 2029 will not entirely settled by the extremely greatest Atom cost of $202.08 in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $173.32 in an unobtrusive manner. Thus, the truly normal exchanging cost is $178.13. Expected return for money invested. 2407% by Cosmos Value Expectation 2030 following quite a while of examination of the Cosmos cost. Crypto specialists are prepared to really give their Atom cost assessment to 2030, which is very critical. It will be exchanged for no less than $246.73, with the in every way that really matters. Conceivable genuinely most extreme tops at $298.10 amazingly. Overall, you can anticipate that the Atom cost should really be around $253.86 in 2030 amazingly. Likely return on initial capital investment. 35.99% by Cosmos Value Forecast 2031 Cryptographic money investigators explicitly are prepared to report their assessments of the Cosmos cost for the most part. The year 2031 still up in the air by the very greatest Atom cost of $431.56, or so they thought. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $363.40 in a very enormous manner. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $376.10. Likely return for money invested. 52.54% by what could be the justification for Cosmos digital currency cost development in the sort of long-haul viewpoint, which is very critical. We should for the most part be clear. Cosmos for the most part is one more savvy contract stage in a genuinely significant manner. One could in every practical sense refer to it as another Ethereum. Nonetheless, its design is splendid according to a specialized perspective in an unobtrusive manner. The fundamental benefit of Cosmos is its boss and simple-to-utilize programming advancement pack. With these things, the venture's kind of primary especially objective explicitly is to arrive at tremendous adaptability, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that the designers by and large get high adaptability going, Cosmos costs could leap to the moon, as engineers would move to this venture from Ethereum. The reality of the situation will come out eventually. Is Cosmos a wise interest? Incredibly. Cosmos is a sensational venture with essential